So I've got all the stuff I've got to bring into the Howard Johnson Hotel here. I got a different hotel. The last one, no hot water, the heater was loud, the refrigerator was loud, the curtains were transparent and really sunny in the morning, and just the list goes on. It was not a good room, so I got a regular room at a Howard Johnson Hotel. I think it's probably going to be better. Plus you get the breakfast in the morning, which I like that too. So I'm going to bring all this stuff inside, and I made plans to have I have a couple of appointments tomorrow, and Jay is getting back with the truck from Maine. He's coming in. He's going to be here in about 4 hours. And I'll sit here and in the hotel room, play around, do my hair, wait for him. Okay, the next time you see me, I'm going to look different because I'm going to cut my hair. See how it's all just too long right here? I'm supposed to have bangs. And I'm going to color it. I thought I might go with my natural, but I'm turning against myself, and I'm going to do color. I just did my son, but he came out, we didn't bleach him first, so he's pink on the ends. He wanted all pink, but he's only pink on the ends where we bleached him before, and he's not all pink, so he's not all happy. But bleaching would have been a whole thing. He doesn't even want to go through that. I know he doesn't. And then, who knows what's going to happen then? We have a day and a half of home time or something. So maybe we'll do something fun. Maybe we'll go to another show. Did you guys watch my vlog from, like, it was like a couple of weeks ago or a week ago, where I put the live performance, the rock performance on there? I think it was May 10th through the 13th. Look that one up. There's a musical performance on that one at the end, and that's really cool. And I might do that again. If I go see music, I'll record it, and then I'll put that at the end of the vlog. So keep an eye out for that, probably tomorrow. Okay, talk to you soon. Alright, as mature adults, we have to figure out what we're going to do first in our hotel room that we have all to ourselves. 5 times, maybe 6 times the size of the cubicle that I live with my husband in, and I'm by myself. Do you know what I thought condiments were? I thought it was like ketchup and mustard and mayonnaise and stuff, but cups, the tops. I don't know what to do. All right, so I guess I will pick up my clothes and organize a little bit, and put my water in the refrigerator. Look at this. Look, look, look. Katz's office, here to see Cleo. And I just saw the coolest thing. Check this out. Cool, that's a sign of good luck. Oh my God, they're so cute. one of them had its head hanging out, and I thought it was just like a stuffed bird or something. And then I like put my finger up like this and it put its head up. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God, they're so cute. What a nice thing to see today. Right outside the doctor's office. See, this is the way into the vet.